Under RMM, Monitoring, Manage Monitoring Policies, you can manage policies for monitored devices. The policies already created and their main configurations are displayed here. The standard policy, automatically assigned to each newly activated device, can be customized to meet specific needs. Additionally, new policies can be created and assigned to specific machines. For performance or security issues, desired settings can be added, and parameters for receiving notifications can be defined to receive CPU, memory and disk space alerts. For system tasks, it is essential to specify the exact name of the service or process as listed in the Windows Task Manager, or the event ID as shown in the Windows Event Viewer. It is possible to add notifications for suspended Windows updates and disabled antivirus and firewall. From the policy list, by clicking on the computer icon, a policy can be assigned to a specific PC or an assigned device can be removed. In the RMM dashboard, the currently assigned policy for each device can be reviewed.